welcome back to another episode of 100 Proof Emma. I'm Emma and I'm so glad you're here. Thank you for that. Today I'm going to be showing you how to be making a lavender bee's knees. Now, a bee's knees is a pre-prohibition drink. It was made with some gin, a splash of honey, just to taper down on that harshness, because back in the day, gin wasn't that tasty. Thankfully today there's plenty of great options and I'm so excited to show them to you. Okay, so for this special lavender bee's knees, I went ahead and prepped a coupe. I went ahead and cut a little bit of lavender just for a beautiful rim around it. Next, I have some lavender simple syrup. I've been infusing it for several days, just putting some lavender bits in the simple syrup. I'm using a Junipero Gin splash, 2 ounces this time. Junipero means juniper in Spanish. The main ingredient in gin is juniper. I'm also going to be using a little bit of raw lavender honey. And I'm going to be putting in 3/4 of an ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Okay, first comes the gin, my favorite part. Next comes the lavender simple syrup. I've just been cutting off lavender sprigs and putting them in my homemade simple syrup. Let it infuse for a couple of days now. Freshly squeezed lemon juice, 3/4 of an ounce. Next comes the lavender raw honey. You can use regular honey or lavender honey if you find it, but either way, it's all good. This is the only part that takes a long time. Waiting on this. Patience is a virtue. Lavender bee's knees. Really well balanced, not too heavy on the gin, not too heavy on the lemon juice. The lavender is so nice, it's calming, it's soothing. If you are somebody with like anxiety or are a little stressed out in life, lavender, go for it, it's great. Obviously purple is like the most beautiful color in the entire world, but also the after effects and the aromatics and herbal smells from lavender, delish. And I like having little pieces of it. So, cheers to me and cheers to you to another 100 Proof Emma, whether virtually or in person. Cheers.